In a world where mirrorless cameras continue to evolve at lightning speed, one series has always stood out for its blend of classic aesthetics and cutting-edge performance, the Fujifilm X Pro line. Now, the legendary rangefinder-style camera is about to take another massive leap forward. That's right, the long-awaited Fujifilm X Pro 6 has just been leaked, and the early information is nothing short of shocking. For photographers and filmmakers alike, this could be a game-changer. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The X Pro 6 is expected to retain the unique DNA of the X Pro series, the hybrid viewfinder, the tactile controls, and the vintage design, while incorporating next-gen technology that could set a new benchmark for the APS-C mirrorless segment. Whether you're a street photographer, documentary filmmaker, or someone who values form as much as function, what's coming will excite you. In this video, we'll explore all the leaked specs, features, performance enhancements, possible release dates, pricing, design changes, and more. Let's unpack what makes the Fujifilm X Pro 6 one of the most anticipated cameras of this decade. Before we get into the latest leaks, it's crucial to understand why the X Pro series commands such reverence. Launched with the original X Pro 1 in 2012, Fujifilm introduced a mirrorless camera that felt like a Leica, but with a modern soul. It featured a hybrid optical-electronic viewfinder, retro body design, and superb image quality thanks to Fujifilm's unique X-Trans sensor. The X Pro 2 and later the X Pro 3 continued this tradition while incorporating improved sensors, faster autofocus, and enhanced durability. The X Pro 3, in particular, made headlines with its controversial hidden rear LCD screen, designed to encourage pure photography. Now, after several years of silence, the X Pro 6 looks set to return, and according to multiple trusted sources and internal leaks, Fujifilm is going all in on making this the flagship APS-C camera that both professionals and purists have been waiting for. Let's start with what everyone's talking about, the leaked specs. According to multiple Fujifilm insiders and credible sources, the Fujifilm X Pro 6 will feature some groundbreaking upgrades. 40.2 MP X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor, same as the X-H2. X processor 5 image engine for high-speed performance and AI-based features. Improved hybrid viewfinder with higher refresh rate and better eye sensor. 6.2K video at 30 frames per second and 4K at 60 frames per second with 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording. Fully articulating LCD screen, a reversal of the hidden LCD from the X Pro 3. 5-axis IBIS, in-body image stabilization, rated up to 6.5 stops. Dual UHS-2 SD card slots. Faster AF system with deep learning-based subject detection, faces, animals, vehicles. Improved weather sealing and magnesium alloy chassis. Enhanced battery life with NP W235 battery, same as X T5/X H2. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 for faster transfers and wireless tethering. These upgrades hint at a massive leap in capability, especially considering the last X Pro model didn't feature IBIS, 6K video, or deep learning AF. The addition of AI-powered subject detection places the X Pro 6 squarely into pro territory, giving it a real edge against both full-frame and APS-C competitors. One of the most controversial aspects of the X Pro 3 was its flip-down LCD.